Roumil and I'm going to teach you how to make a bourbon cake. The ingredients required are Tino, regular flavour, Bourbon biscuit, 2 packets, milk, milk 1 glass, butter, and sugar powder. Before starting the recipe, we have to preheat the microwave. Let's start the recipe. I have separated biscuit and the cream. And now we have to crush the biscuit. Let's crush the biscuit. This is bourbon powder. Let me add some milk to it. Rotate it one direction only. Put some eno to it. Mix it only one side only. Now it's time to add sugar. Only this much sugar. Let me put some milk. Let me put some butter to it. I have melted the cream. Now I have added some milk to it. Now let me mix it. I must put the bourbon mixture over the bowl. After putting the batter into the bowl, I put in this in the microwave and put in convection mode from 180 Celsius only and for 25 minutes. And start. Our cake is ready and now I'll take this toothpick and put down, and if it's clean means the cake is ready. If it's not ready, I will keep in the microwave again for 5 minutes. It is clean means I have to rest it for 10 minutes. Now we will take the cake and transfer to the. First we'll cut the cake. Now put the plate up. Side and see. And now we will decorate it. Now the cream we have melted, we will put up. Take the bowl. All the chocolate. No. I'll take another plate. Here and I put some nuts.